working. Okay, next section, increasing and decreasing by a percentage. So this just has an extra step on what we were just doing. So you imagine that you're going to the shop, or maybe you own a shop. You own a shop, and you buy something at $70, and you want to increase that price by 15%. Okay, so it's only two steps. First thing you have to do is find out what 15% of that $70 is. And that's what we've been doing all lesson. Finding 15% means 15 over 100, and then you times it by the $70. Type that in your calculators. No, not quite. What do you get? As a decimal, because this is money, 10.5. Good. So $10.50. Sometimes we like to put that extra zero on the end when we're talking about money, so that's 50 cents. Now, there's a second step, which we have to increase the $70 by the $10.50. That just means add them together. So a second line, 70 plus the $10.50 equals $80.50. So what that means is, in order for the shopkeeper, the owner, to get their profit, they're going to buy it for $70, add the 15%, equals 50 cents. Okay. So this is increasing 30 litres by 75%. First step, find out what 75% of 30 is. It means times. We've got that times sign in there. Very good. Okay, now because we are increasing, we are going to start with our 30 metres and add on the 22.5, which makes 52.5 metres. What do you think is going to change when I do these questions down here that they decrease? This is when you go into the shop and you've got specials. So the price might be marked at this, and you'll get a discount. So in these two steps, you'll still do the first step exactly the same. In the second step, you'll get a discount. So first step, 40% means 40 over 100 times by $10.50. What did you get? 4.2 or $4.20. Now, because we're decreasing, make sure you always start with the original amount in the question. So I start with the $10.50 and I subtract off the $4.20 discount, which means whatever this thing happens to be now costs $6.30. Okay, do another one the same. Decrease 15 kilograms by 25%. First of all, find 25% of the 15. Yes, good. Now to do the decrease part, which number do I start with? Which number do I start with? 15, the one in the question, 15, and I subtract off the 3.75. So it is now 11.25 kilograms. Please make sure that your answer, I don't know if I'm going to have it here, but you'll find. Okay, so that means we're doing these ones. We're starting here.